Hey, welcome back to SkyTech. I am so glad you are here because today we are building something you are going to open again and again for the rest of your life. We are building a recipe box, a little digital place where every dish you love lives in one spot. You add a recipe, you browse your collection, and best of all, you can search it. Type in chicken and boom, every chicken recipe shows up. Type in a single ingredient sitting in your fridge and it tells you what you can cook tonight. And you are going to build this without writing one single line of code. No downloads, no setup, no confusing installs. Just you, a browser tab, and about 20 minutes. By the end of this video, you will have a real app you can pull up on your phone in the kitchen, flour on your hands, and it just works. Now, if you are new here, take a breath, because you belong. This channel is for people who have never coded, who look at a wall of computer text and feel their stomach drop a little. That is totally fine. You are not going to see any of that today. We are going to build this app the same way you would explain a dish to a friend over the phone. Plain words, real sentences. You describe what you want and the AI cooks it up for you. That is the whole trick, and once you feel it, you will never see building the same way again. Think of it like ordering at your favorite restaurant. You do not walk into the kitchen and cook. You say what you want, clearly and kindly, and it comes out ready. Your only job today is to be a really good, really clear customer, and I'm going to hand you the exact words to say. So let me ask you something. How many times have you gone looking for a recipe online, found the perfect one, and then had to scroll past 2,000 words about someone's childhood summer and a photo of a barn before you even reach the ingredients? Here is my spicy little take, and you are welcome to fight me in the comments. Recipe websites are broken on purpose. They bury the actual food under a novel so the page earns more ad money. So today, we quietly opt out. We build our own recipe box where the recipe is the whole point, and there is nothing to scroll past ever again. No barn photos, no life story, no pop-up ads jumping in your face. Just the food, sitting right there the second you open it. Tell me if you think I am wrong. Seriously, drop a comment, because I know some of you actually like the stories, and I want to hear it. Okay, this episode sits in the middle of our Build Real app season, and it carries one brand new superpower with it. That superpower is search. In the last few builds, you learn how to save things so they stick around. A recipe you type in today is still there next week. That is memory. But once you have saved 50 recipes, memory alone is not enough. You need to find one specific thing in a big pile fast. That finding is called search. And search plus filtering is the skill that turns a boring list into an app you actually love using. And here is the beautiful part. Once you understand search today, you own it forever. Every big app you have ever used, the one that finds a song, the one that finds a message, the one that finds a movie, is doing this exact same thing under the hood. Learn it once here with recipes, and you will recognize it everywhere. Let me paint search for you so it never feels mysterious again. Imagine the friendliest librarian in the world. She has walked every aisle of a giant library 1,000 times. You walk up and say, "I want anything with the word garlic in it." And before you finish the sentence, she has already pulled every single book off every shelf that mentions garlic and stacked them right in your arms. She does not read every page slowly. She just knows. That is exactly what search does inside your recipe box. You type a word, and it instantly hands you every recipe that matches. No walking the aisles yourself. And filtering is search's little sidekick, so let me give you a kitchen picture for that one. Filtering is a colander. You dump your whole pot of cooked pasta and water into it, and the colander lets the water rush through and holds back only the noodles you actually wanted. Filtering does the same thing to your recipes. It pours out everything that does not match and keeps only the handful you were looking for. Search grabs, filtering strains. Together they make a pile of 50 recipes feel like reaching for exactly one card in a neat little box. And the best part is, the AI already knows how to build both of these for you. You do not have to explain how a colander works or how a librarian thinks. You just have to know what you want the app to do and then say it in normal words, which is exactly what we are about to do. So let us actually build this thing. You're going to use one of 3 friendly tools and any of them works great. There is Lovable, there is Bolt, and there is Replit. All three do the same magic. You open a chat box, you type what you want in plain English, and it builds a real working app right in front of you while you watch. Pick whichever one you like the look of. Do not overthink it. You can even try the same words in two of them and keep whichever one you like better. None of them are the right answer or the wrong answer. They are like three different grocery stores that all sell the same eggs. Walk into whichever one feels friendly and know that everything I'm about to show you works exactly the same in all three. So do not let picking a tool slow you down for even a second. Here is your exact starting prompt, and I want you to actually use these words. Type this in. Build me a recipe box app. I can add a recipe with three things: a title, a list of ingredients, and the cooking steps. Show all my saved recipes as cards on the main page. Add a search bar at the top that filters the recipes as I type, matching either the title or any ingredient. Keep all my recipes saved so they are still here when I come back. That is it. That is the whole order. Hit enter and watch it get to work. Now, here is the rhythm I want you to fall in love with, because it is the real secret of this whole thing. It is a loop with 3 simple beats. First, you describe what you want. Then you look at what the AI made and you click around and try it. Then you fix exactly one thing. Describe, look, fix one thing. Round and round. The mistake beginners make is trying to fix 5 things in one message. Do not do that. Change one thing, look again, then change the next. One small step at a time, like tasting a sauce and adding 1 pinch of salt before you reach for more. If you dump in salt, garlic, pepper, and lemon all at once and it tastes off, you have no idea which one to blame. Same with your app. Fix one thing, taste it, then fix the next. That single habit is the difference between people who get frustrated and quit and people who calmly build the whole thing and smile the whole way. Quick pause, because I want to hear from you. When your recipe box is done and sitting there empty, what is the very first recipe going in? One dish. Drop the name in the comments right now. Grandma's cornbread? 3 in the morning ramen? The one pasta you make when you want to impress somebody. I read these and I genuinely love seeing what everybody cooks. Go on, tell me. Now let me warn you about the one thing that almost always breaks, so you are not surprised when it happens to you. Your search will probably be picky about capital letters. You will type garlic in all lowercase, and the recipe you titled garlic bread with a big G will refuse to show up. It looks broken, but it is not broken. The AI just built the search to match letters too strictly, like a bouncer checking that your name matches the list exactly, capital letters and all. This is normal. Every builder hits it, even people who have done this for years. So do not panic, do not think you did something wrong, and definitely do not start over. A thing that looks broken is very often just a thing that needs one clear instruction. And the fix is one calm sentence. Here are the exact words to fix it. Type this to the AI. Make the search ignore capital letters, so typing garlic in lowercase still finds garlic bread. That is all you say. It will go fix it in a few seconds, and now your librarian stops caring about big or small letters and just finds the word wherever it lives. Test it right away. Type the word in lowercase and watch the recipe pop up. That little moment with the thing that was broken suddenly works because you asked nicely in plain English. That is the feeling this whole channel is built on. While you're at it, if your ingredients ever save as one long messy blob of text instead of a tidy list, tell the AI this. Make each ingredient its own separate line so the list is easy to read. One sentence, one fix, and you keep moving. So how do you know when you are actually finished? Here is your little checklist. And when all of it works, you are done. You can add a brand new recipe with a title, ingredients, and steps, and it shows up as a card. You can type a word in the search bar and watch the list shrink down to just the matching recipes as you type. You can search by an ingredient, not only the title, and it still finds the right dish. And when you close the app and open it again, everything you saved is still sitting right there. If those 4 things work, congratulations, you built a real, genuinely useful app. And notice you did not need it to be perfect or fancy. You do not need 100 features. You need the 4 that matter working cleanly. A recipe box that reliably saves and finds your food beats a flashy app that does nothing well. Simple and done beats fancy and broken every single time. And you just proved it. Look at what you just did. You took a pile of scattered recipes and gave them a home with a search bar that finds anything in a blink. And you did it by talking. not by coding. That is the exact same skill professional apps are built on, just wrapped in plain English. And this one is not a toy you build once and forget. This is the app you keep. Add your recipes over the next few weeks, and slowly you will have your own private cookbook that nobody else on earth has, tuned to exactly the food you love. And here's my second question for you before you go. Which tool did you build yours in? Lovable, Bolt, or Replit? Just drop the one name in the comments so I know which one you are vibing with. If this made building feel a little less scary, do me one small favor and hit that subscribe button so the next one finds you. Because next episode, we are building something you will check every single day. It is called Build a Workout Log App with AI for Total Beginners, and you are going to track your reps, your sets, and watch yourself get stronger over time. I will see you there. Same lab coat, same you, one step braver. Bye for now.